25W light bulb compact lamp E26E27 base ozone free light. Ozone free 253.7 nm wavelength light without ozone, such as 30 times of the sunshine, powerful ability. 25 watts covers up to 400 SQ.FT. Lamp suitable for basement, bathroom, school, canteen, kindergarten, home, salon, closet, hotel, etc. Convenient, can work direct in most common E26E27 screw-in socket, no special connections required.If you want to use light sockets. Warm tips: when this bulb lit, will immediately have a special smell in the air. It means it's worked. This special smell comes from burnt harmful smells by the wraith, just like the smell in the hospital. 100% satisfaction and money-back guarantee. We vouch for our bulb's efficiency and durability. In the unlikely event you are dissatisfied with your purchase, you are free to return it to us within the first 90 days and receive a full refund. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.